All right. Let's get in management. R.C. Chandak, Managing Director and CEO of KEC International, joins us on the show to talk about the numbers that have come out. A spike seen in the stock, 2.5% up in trade, 498 is where it's trading at this point of time. Mr. Chandak, thanks so much for joining in. Before we just take forward the discussion on in details, can you just give us the headline numbers as to how is the profit after tax number looking like this quarter, and how has the margin picture shaped up in the current quarter?
See, basically in this quarter our sales are about 1000 crore, which is up by 14% over last year. Our profit before tax is 71.5 crore, which is again up by 18% over the corresponding quarter. In this particular quarter we had an exceptional item that we did a VRS in one of our location where the cost was 8.5 crore. So our profit after tax, because after giving the impact of that, is at 43 crore against the 42 crore. So the numbers are flat on PAT, mainly because of the exceptional item. Otherwise the growth has been very good. 14% growth in top line, 18% growth in profit after tax, profit before tax, and as a profit after tax is only 1 crore up, mainly because of the exceptional item. So in a way I think this has been a good quarter for us. In addition to that, the big thing is that yesterday we have received an order of 735 crore from SNC-Lavalin, Canada, for supply of 95,000 ton of towers. This is the largest ever order received by KEC of 735 crore, and that also for supplying towers with a price escalation clause. This is a fairly good order, and I think this is one good thing. Also during this period we have received various other orders from railways and from power grid and from other sectors, cables and all that, and put together our order book now stands at 7,000 crore plus. So basically I think the order book has just jumped from 5,600 crore to 7,000 plus crores in right now. So I think it has been going forward we can see very clearly a good visibility for turnover to come in.
Right, Mr. Chandak, it's a big order that you received I mean, you just said it's the largest order that you've received. Is this a sign of things to come? I mean, the order book position is anyways healthy. Based on an estimate you would have, how is the order inflow or the order pipeline looking like for the next couple of quarters?
See, this order from North America is actually received based on a combination of KEC and SAE Towers. We have recently acquired SAE Tower in USA, and almost 90-95% supplies will go from India, 5 to 10% supplies will come from our US company. And as a combination we have received this order for 95,000 metric tons. The order has come largely because we have a now joint venture, now our own 100% owned company in USA. And that combination really worked very well, and we are very happy that we are able to get such a large order of supply of towers.
Could you be more specific about the kind of project and order inflow that you're expecting over the next 6 months to the close of this year? You know, there is talk about how you have been one among the 3 companies that have been shortlisted for a dozen turnkey operations, including laying transmission lines in Nepal, you know, their biggest hydropower project. How are things specifically moving on that project and other regions as well that you're looking at?
See, basically I think as we are saying that the first 6 months the order book in India was not very good, and that typically happens in India that most of the orders get bunched in the last 6 months or 5 months of the year. Of course we are expecting that large number of orders should get settled in the last the coming 4-5 months from India. Similarly internationally we are seeing a lot of inquiries coming. As you would have noticed that I think just a couple of months ago we have received an order in Georgia, which was a very large order. A lot of activities in Central Asia is happening, in Africa is happening, in Middle East is happening, and on the top of it now we are seeing the US market, North America market very active, and with our subsidiary in US in place, we are seeing that the order in transmission will really will come at a very regular interval, and the 20% growth or 15-20% growth is definitely looks very achievable in the transmission alone. Over and above that, we had taken a lot of initiatives in the substation business, and we have now large number of orders in substation. We have a 400 kV substation order. We have 220 kV substation orders from Power Grid, from Bhutan Power, and some orders in overseas market. So even the substation market, or what we call it a power system division, looks very positive. The one division which we just started last year is railways, and as of now we almost have 350 crore of orders outstanding in railway alone. And the good part in railway is that we are not only in railway electrician, but we have orders for track laying, we have orders for civil work, we have order for bridges, we have order for signaling. So the whole range of railway we have. So and secondly, I think the cable business has picked up quite well. This is the first time in this quarter that the cable business is
Mr. Chandak,
positive.
So you're also looking at making an acquisition of about $100 million. Could you update us on the status of when this acquisition could get finalized?
No, I think probably I had mentioned is that we'll always be looking at acquisition if we really get some good acquisition. Nothing is in the pipeline, nothing is under discussion. I would say that our process of looking for acquisition will continue. It will not end with the SAE acquisition. But in the end, I think we have to get a right acquisition target and at a right price. And as we took almost 2 years, 3 years to find a right target in US, it can also happen that it will take some time. But our process of shortlisting and looking at various companies will continue, and we are definitely looking at the targets as and when the opportunity comes.
Mr. Chandak, any guidance you would like to give for FY11, revenues and profitability?
No, guidance we really don't give, but as I say that very clearly the growth is 20% is very clearly visible. But as such, I think we don't really, we restrain from giving any guidance so far.
Great. Thanks, Mr. Chandak, and congratulations on a very good set of numbers on a like-to-like basis, and all the best for the quarters ahead. That is KC International approved a 5:1 stock split as well. The stock fairly excited, 3% up in trade today, 14.5 rupees. 501 is where it's trading at this point of time. Of course, tonight on ET Now, you can catch a special show called Namaste Obama at 11:30 p.m. and tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. The guests are Mr. Kamal Nath, Gautam Thapar and Thomas Friedman.